In case if you deleted a contact from your Android device, then what you will do is you will go ahead and open gmail.com in a web browser. Then you will select the Gmail or the Google account which you have used in your Android device. This is for me, and then let me enter my password and log into my Gmail account. So once you are into your Gmail account, click on this arrow here and select contact. Suppose this is the contact which I have deleted in my Google account. I'll delete this one. And then if you want to restore this contact, then what you have to do is you have to go to more. You have to select restore contacts and then select the duration when you deleted the contact, and then select the duration when you deleted the contact. So I will select 1 hour ago and then restore, and you can see the contact again came back here, and in your Android device also it will be restored within few seconds. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications for free.